Hi everyone, welcome to today's practice. My name is Roxanne and I'll be guiding you some of the few stretches that you can do at home if you're feeling really tight, stiff, lethargic, restless and listless. So what we will need today is a strap. If you don't have a strap, you can grab a long resistance band or a long towel, and I would suggest having a pair of blocks. If you don't have them, I think that's fine, but it'd be great if you have a pair of blocks. It really helps you in your practice, in your pregnancy, and also a pillow. I have a yoga pillow, but if you don't have a yoga pillow, you can always use a regular bolster or even your pillow as well. Alright, so I know like the back always starts to ache, you always feel super tight in your shoulders. That's pretty normal. Let's find a comfortable seated position. You can sit in any position you like. You can sit on the block, you can sit cross-leg position, or you can sit kneeling down as well. You're gonna grab hold of your strap or your towel and have your hands just a little bit wider. So as you find some space, you're gonna start to move your arms all the way forward and all the way back. So one thing to note that you are not bending your arm as you come into the position, and you're moving both arms simultaneously. Okay, so let's do this together for a few rounds. So sitting up tall, keep the neck in a neutral position. This helps you to mobilize your shoulders, helps you to release tightness in your shoulders, your upper back. So no rush, okay? If you feel like you're struggling quite a bit, just open your arms a little bit wider. It should make you feel a lot more comfortable as you move your arms forward and back with your towel or your strap. Let's do this for 2 more rounds. 1 more. And release. Alright, have your strap or towel to the side. You're gonna reach both arms towards the front, right arm on top of your left, eagle your arms, and then take an inhale breath, lift the elbows up. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. Again, inhale, lift the elbows up, curl back a little. Exhale, round your spine, feel it nice, big stretch in your upper back and your shoulder blades. 3 more, inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine, puff your upper back, curl your body in. 2 more, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, round. That feels really nice in your shoulders. 1 more, inhale, reach up. In, exhale, round. Very good. Release, stretch both arms back to the front, left arm on top, right arm below, eagle your arms. So cross above the elbows, palms together. Take an inhale breath, lift your chest, elbows up. Exhale, round your spine, elbows towards your chest. Inhale, lift the elbows up. Exhale, round your spine. 3 more, inhale, extend. Exhale, 3. Inhale, extend. Exhale, 2. 1 more, inhale, extend. And exhale, 1. Very good. Slowly release. So 1 more exercise you can do for your upper back, alright? So when you inhale, you're gonna lift your chest, and when you exhale, you're gonna press your palms kind of like away from you, round your spine and tuck your chin towards your chest. Okay, so together, inhale, arch your back, arms towards your chest. Exhale, round your spine. Push your knuckles away from you, feel a stretch in your upper back. 3 more, inhale, palms to chest. Exhale, round your spine. Curl your belly in a little bit more. 2 more, inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your spine. Last one, inhale, chest up. Exhale, round. Stay there, continue to breathe. Keep pushing your palms away from you for 3, 2, and 1. Very slowly release. Reach both arms up to sky, inhale. As you exhale, release your right palm down to the ground. Stretch your left arm over your head. Inhale, reach right arm up. Exhale, left palm down. Stretch your right arm over towards your left. Again, inhale, center. Exhale to your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale to your left side. One more, inhale, center. Exhale to your right side. Holding it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale back to center. Exhale, reach palm down, stretch over to your left side, chin up, chest up. Breathe deep into your right rib cage for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale back to center, exhale, release. So one of the things that you might feel is also your hips, a lot of tension, a lot of tightness, like it feels very stiff. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your hands behind you, okay? So as you place your hands behind you, you're going to have your feet wide and bend your knees, okay? So what you're going to do is you're just going to drop your knees side to side and allow your spine to move with you as well. So that creates mobility in your hips and it helps with blood circulation for your lower back as well. So just remember, any point of time if you feel like, oh my god, my hips are so tight, just get down to the ground or even in bed and just keep moving your knees side to side. Alright, now let's come up to sit upright and let's drop both the knees to your left side. So now you're just going to adjust your feet. So as you drop both your knees to your left side, have your foot towards your inner thigh. Okay, inhale, reach both arms up. Exhale, you're going to twist to your left side. Right hand on your left knee, left fingertips behind you, and then lift your chest up. Lengthen your spine as you inhale. Pull the baby in very gently as you exhale, giving your spine a nice twist. One more breath. Inhale. Twisting a little deeper as you exhale. Reach both arms up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, release. Just lean back slightly, come back to the center. Just shift your feet slightly to the side. Drop both your knees to your right side. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist towards your left side. Hand towards your right side. So left hand towards your right knee, right fingertips towards the back. Take an inhale breath. Exhale, twist towards the side. Or if you can, turn your head towards the back so you twist your entire spine and your neck as well. Take another inhale breath. Take baby in, twist a little deeper. One more inhale. And exhale. Good. Come back to the center. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale and release. So from here, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna turn to your side and come to all fours. So that's one of my favorite positions, just to create mobility in the spine. And today we're gonna do some hip rotations as well. So not just rotating your hips, but also sinking your belly down and drawing your belly in. All right, so we're gonna move in 2 directions this way. I feel that this really helps me to just let go of all the tension in my lower back, especially when I sleep at night and I get so much spasm sometimes. So, and adding this into my routine has seen a tremendous improvement in that, especially during the night when I sleep. Okay, so let's get down to the basics first. When you inhale, you're just gonna gently arch your back, look to the front of your mat or look forward, okay? As you exhale, you'll tuck your chin towards the chest and you will round your spine. Let's do this 4 times. Inhale, arch your back, gaze forward or towards the front of your mat. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. Again, inhale. Exhale, belly in, round your spine. 2 more. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your spine. Last one. Inhale, arch your back. And exhale, round your spine. Come to neutral position. So what you're going to do next is you're going to drop the belly down, shift it to the side. And as you return back to the center, just round your spine, drop your belly down. So you're moving in circular motion. You can
bend the arms as well. This helps you to improve your blood circulation into your lower back, your upper back, and your hips. Alright, so let's try this a few times at your own pace. You can even shift your hips forward and back. Don't worry if you don't look like you are kind of following what I'm doing. Just, you know, find your own rhythm, find your own momentum, find your own pace. That's perfectly fine as well. Then we're going to come back to the center, drop your belly down, and then we're going to reverse the direction of your rotation of the hips. Okay, so again, feel free to bend your arms, feel free to stay with the hips on top of your knees, or circle your hips back as well. So apparently this also really helps in childbirth, and I guess we're gonna get there in a matter of time. Wherever you are, 3 more rotations. Alright, and very slowly release. Drop down onto your knees. Okay, you're gonna shift your hips towards the side and stretch both legs towards the front of your mat. Just give your legs a nice shake. If at this point of time, if you're feeling cramp in your legs, or you feel like you're holding a lot of water retention and your blood circulation is very poor, then what you're gonna do before you go to bed at night is to lie down flat onto your back, hips against the wall, and stretch both legs up towards the wall or towards the sky. So that will help you to improve your blood circulation and reduce swelling and cramping in your legs. Okay, so mamas out there, whenever you feel very tired in your legs, feel very heavy, just do this. It really helps in improving that. Okay, so let's come back to where we were earlier. You're gonna be on your bum, all right, with the feet out wide. Now this time you're gonna use your blocks. So feel free to use the blocks. Place your forearms on the blocks to help you fold forward. So just giving some space to your belly, to stretch your inner thighs and to stretch your lower back. And if you feel comfortable, you can even lower the height of the blocks to fall a little deeper. Slowly lift your chest up. The next thing I want to teach you is to use your bolster to help you just relax. Okay, so as you move towards the front of your mat, you're gonna have your blocks in maybe about this position, this height. So one lower, one higher. Honestly, it depends on how you feel. And then you're just gonna have your bolster sitting on the ground and the other one on the other block. Okay, so once you're there, what you're gonna do is have your hips close to the block, to the bolster, and you're gonna slowly recline. As you slowly recline, have your legs in the butterfly position, and then place your hands either gently on your inner thighs, on your baby, or arms towards the floor. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna gently breathe into the sides of your rib cage as you inhale, and then exhale, feeling the sides of the rib cage pulling in very gently, naturally on its own. So this is what I call passive, like a passive practice, where you don't engage muscular strength, but it still does the work and gives your body what it needs. So right here, we are finding ourselves in a very comfortable back bend, in a very supported position with the bolster and the blocks. So modifying your practice along the way is quite important. Let's have the knees together this time,
and extend both legs towards the front. Relax your toes, relax your feet. Now bend your knees, place your feet down towards the floor. Just gently roll to your left side. Use your hands and push yourselves up. Find a comfortable seated position. You're gonna drop your head to your right side. Feel the stretch along the left side of your neck. Come back to the center. Other side, drop your head to your left. Feel the stretch on the right side of your neck. One more time, back to center to your right. Back to center to your left. And slowly come back to the center. Now, if lying down feels great for you, just feel free to lie down as much as you want the next time. Thank you all for sharing your practice with me. If you do enjoy my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon for the next yoga practice or yoga tutorial.